Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast, and you're looking at live pictures from Buck Stadium tonight, where that big playoff football game is going to take place with our local Miller Bucks. We'll have more on that in a moment, but it's drizzling out there, and it's going to be a raw night to be outdoors. Rainfall today was on the light side as expected. Many areas didn't register anything. This is drizzle falling now, so it's not really a volume type of issue, with 0.05 of an inch at the airport, almost 1/4 of an inch, though, in Port Aransas. Those are some of the extremes. The looping Doppler radar shows that the light rain has left the area. We're left with drizzle, which is too small to be detected by the Doppler radar. It's being caused by this upper level low that was out here in Mexico 24 hours ago. That low is kicking out to the north and east. Notice the dry air in behind it it's brown. That's the dry air on the water vapor imagery. And we just don't have the volume of air. That's why you're not seeing it pour down rain outside. We're about to lose this low, and that means the air will stabilize and cooler, drier air will invade from the north tonight. And it's going to be cold outside with the north winds blowing. Cloud and rain forecast shows the clouds will last till tomorrow morning. It'll clear out before daybreak from north to south, and then sunshine galore tomorrow. Going to be beautiful tomorrow afternoon with the northerly winds and the sunshine, but even better on Saturday with warmer temperatures and light winds. Sunday we pick up a few clouds ahead of a fast-moving but dry front. With that upper level low out to the west of us all week, we had this overrunning pattern with cool to cold air at the surface and warm air overriding it aloft, and that produces clouds and rain, and then it morphs into drizzle, which is what we talked about yesterday was going to happen for today. The drizzle will be out of here with the upper level low. The evening forecast, it's 48 right now. We'll be down to 47 in about an hour and steadily drop into the mid 40s then through the overnight hours, and then low 40s in the early morning hours with a northerly wind that's going to make it feel like the 30s. The actual low temperatures, 41 here, 39 in Robstown, upper 30s, Beeville, George West, Refugio, you're all included. A little milder to the south, but still 45 degrees is cold by every South Texas standard down in Falfurrias. 42 starting out in the morning, but 58 and sunshine at noon. That's going to feel like 88 after what we've been through this week, and then 60 and sunshine. It'll be outstanding at 5 p.m. tomorrow with high temperatures reaching 64 here, 59 in Port Aransas, 65 in Alice, and 66 down in Fremont and the Falfurrias area. Satellite and radar shows all we have left is some thin clouds. They're really thinning out now, but the drizzle remains until we get to clearing skies. We've got this little front that's pushing through. We talked about the merging of the air masses, and with high pressure building in, that's going to give us a northerly wind that's going to make it feel colder than it really is, and you can see that on the future winds here. Winds staying up overnight at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, and they will gradually relax by tomorrow night for Friday night football. The low kicks out, high pressure moves in. Going to be great weather here over the weekend. And the NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 41 tonight, 64 tomorrow, 40 and 67 with sunshine on Saturday. And then on Sunday evening, we get that weak front, but not enough moisture to do anything with it. And that's just really going to reinforce our beautiful warming trend that'll take us from the mid 60s tomorrow to the low 80s next week on Wednesday and Thursday. So we're going to see mid 80s before we see mid 30s.
Well, This is what's making everybody get sick. All right. Poor Lee's got a chest cold.
Yeah, something going on there. Anyway, the Miller Bucks have a big playoff game tonight, as Dale just mentioned. We're going to carry it live for you on our sister station, KDF. And sports director Alan Harwell joins us live now from Buck Stadium with a preview. Alan.
Oh, he looks cold.
Yeah.
All right, the excitement is building here at Buck Stadium. The weather, not so good. As Dale mentioned, the drizzle continues to fall. It's very cold, but we got a great football game lined up, and we'll talk about it right after this quick timeout.